Stay tuned to see how you can install an awesome bidet on your existing toilet quickly and easily. It's surprising to me that in the 21st century, many people are wiping their butts with toilet paper and pretending that that's cleaning them. Now let me ask you this, if you picked up a dog turd with your bare hands, would you just wipe your hands on toilet paper and pretend that they're clean? Or would you give them a proper washing? Come on guys, we can do better than this, right? What are we, cavemen? Now thankfully, many of us have turned to using wipes. These are great and all, but an inexpensive bidet can be another great tool in your quest for cleanliness. Let's check it out.
This next item is a bidet for your toilet. I like this little tagline here. Cleaner and comfortable. Enjoy bidet. Enjoy life. I think that's an ancient Chinese proverb. Clean sphincter brings happy life. I think that was Confucius. What's cool about this is you do not have to have a special fancy toilet or spend thousands of dollars to have a bidet. This is a bidet that mounts on a normal toilet. This is very inexpensive and it had a great review, so let's open it up and check it out. Okay, so here's the bidet, and as you can see here, and typical to any other bidet, if you've ever been to Japan or other places, it's got a picture of a female, which that is going to be the front spray, and it's got a picture of a butt, and that's pretty universal. That means it's your butt. So it has two sprayers here. One is going to spray more forward, one is going to spray back further for your butt, and depending on which way you twist this lever, depends on which one it will spray and how hard. If you just crack it just a little bit, it's supposed to spray just a little. If you turn it a whole lot, it's supposed to spray a whole lot. Maybe it'll blast me off the seat. Let's go test her out.
So here we are with the bidet installed. As you can see, here is the water control for the bidet. And the seat mounts just like it used to. But you can see that this part here mounts under the seat. So basically to install this, all you have to do is just loosen the seat right here. You can take off the nuts that hold these bolts, take your seat, you set the bidet down, you set the seat on top of the bidet, and then you just tighten it up from below. That takes care of installing the bidet. It's very simple. The only other part you have to worry about is hooking up the plumbing. You just have to hook up this water line to this handle where you can control the water flow, and it travels back here to this T that they give you. Now before you install the bidet, this is the original plumbing that hooked up to the toilet right here. You just unhook this, you install this T, you hook up your original plumbing that went to your toilet to the T. You hook up this water line back to the handle here, and that's it. It takes maybe 5 minutes to hook up the plumbing, and maybe another 5 minutes to set the toilet seat on, and boom, you're done. So now I'm gonna do a little demonstration for you. Don't worry, it'll be PG rated. Whoa! That was fun. All right, and now for the female part. Same thing. Okay, and then you can see it goes back up. So let's just try just a little bit. Oh yeah, you can really spray it hard if you want. Here, whoa, there's kind of a gentle spray for the butt, and you can turn it on really hard if you really need to blast away. And you can see when you get done, the nozzle goes back up and stays closed to keep it clean. And if you're in the market for a good water pick, you could save a few bucks by putting this thing to double duty and cleaning you at both ends, but I wouldn't recommend that. So, I gotta say, it's quite an experience to use a bidet, but once you do, I don't know if you'll go back. It's kind of like getting shot in the sphincter with a squirt gun, but cleans you off. This thing is a piece of cake to install. It's really inexpensive. It seems to be made very well. It's thousands of dollars cheaper than the real fancy ones you can find online. So, hey, give it a shot. I think you'll really like it. All in all, I'd give it 2 cheeks up, or 2 thumbs up.